Hello guys, so we have here the result of yesterday's experiment and it didn't work for 3 reasons. The first reason is that the colours I chose were what I thought really good by being quite similar colours that would work really well together. With that certain technique, it kind of just blended. The second reason why it didn't work yesterday was because with this COVID-19 crisis, there are no gloves anywhere. So after days of searching, I finally found gloves, and not even thinking, I just grabbed them straight away, and they turned out to be powdered. And if you're like me, I change my gloves constantly throughout the process because I get so dirty, and the powder was just getting everywhere, and so the powder was rising up to the surface and I was constantly trying to get it out. The third reason why it didn't work was because everything just went wrong and my butane torch ran out of butane gas. So I actually spent a whole hour with a lighting match using the flame to pop bubbles, and it still didn't work. So what resulted was a piece completely not up to scratch. Not what I expected it to be at all, even though I tried really hard to problem solve. It just didn't turn out. So today I've changed colours. I've done a bit more orange. I've added a gold for a bit of yellow. I've actually also added some gold flakes in the brown and the orange to kind of make it look a bit like mountains or rocks, or a bit more depth to it, a bit of landscape. Whether it kind of turns out like that, I don't know, but I reckon it could look cool. So it's still the Mars idea. So I've still chosen similar colours, but I've just made them a bit more different and more orange. So let's give it a go. I have to say, normally I start with a white board, so this red board is a bit disconcerting. I'm not sure how I feel about it starting with a different colour. Alright, that is looking exactly like I wanted. I'm loving the little gold flakes because they're really coming to the top, and you can see them, they look great. They just add this whole other bit of dimension to the work. You can see some of the cells that are popping up. It's really good because what I wanted was these cells to kind of look a bit like boulders. Not boulders, but craters. So I'm just so happy with it. Like, it's so different from yesterday. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm just so happy. It really looks like just a really fancier version of Mars.